as the wind, your whisper calls through quiet nights and moonlit halls. Even when you're far from view, in every breath I feel you. Like ocean waves that kiss the shore, your love surrounds me evermore. I close my eyes, the world turns blue, but in the stillness I feel you.
I feel you in the morning light, in silent dreams that hold me tight. Though we're miles and skies apart, you're the rhythm of my heart. I feel you. I feel you.
Every star up in the sky carries your name as it floats by, and in the hush of twilight hue, my soul believes I feel you. No need for words, no need to say. Your love just finds me anyway. It's in the calm, it's in the view. Wherever I go, I feel you.
I feel you in the midnight rain, in melodies that soothe my pain. Even in the quiet too, I'm never lost. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you.
So when the world is fast asleep and silence wraps my thoughts so deep, I smile and